I am back again with another video. So I have another coding project which we'll be building in our next video. So in this video today I'll just be showing you guys how it works and the basic functionalities of it. So basically what we have here is a resume builder. We have all these inputs here that you can type in your information that you would want to have on your resume, like your first name, last name, etc. And then once you have all that filled out, you'll want to hit generate resume, and that should lead you to another page, and it'll have all of your information displayed onto your resume. And all this was achieved by using React props and components, and most importantly state, which we use to pass down from the parent component down to the child, which is how we can display all this information that the user types onto the input and then transfer it onto the UI. So let me show you guys an example of how this resume builder works. So for my first name, I'll just enter in all that, and then email, I'm just going to say email@gmail.com. Phone number, I don't want to disclose any personal information, so I'm just going to make some stuff up. And for my website, I'll just say website.com. Although I do have my own personal portfolio website, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll have the link down below in the descriptions. And then for my birthday, I'll just say I was born on July 13th, 2022, which is definitely not true. I'm currently 15 years old, and one of my skills is definitely coding. I mean, isn't that the whole point of me starting this YouTube channel? And then experience, I'll just say YouTube. Graduation year, that really depends, but I'm going to say 2025, because that's the year I'm most likely going to graduate, assuming I don't take an additional year of high school. If I do, then it'll be 2026. Accomplishment, let's just say, I don't know, I can't think of any right now. Let's just say hitting 400 subs on YouTube. University, I'm still thinking about that, so I'll just say university, which is obviously not a real university. And then write about yourself, I'll just say, hello there, my name is Kenny Malice. I hope you'll consider me as an ideal candidate for this position, or something like that. Just something that will catch the reader's attention. And then once you have all that filled out, you'll just hit generate and then hit OK. And as you can see, it took all that data that we filled out from the other page and then transferred it onto our resume builder. So we have our summary, our contact information, experience, YouTube, and then my graduation year, which goes at the very bottom. And another cool feature about this resume builder is that it also generated me a randomly chosen profile picture, which I got by fetching it from an API, which was actually not all that hard at all. I'll show you guys how to do all this and implement all the logic in the next video. Also, another cool thing that I forgot to show you guys was that this resume builder is also somewhat responsive. I'm still working on my CSS responsive designing skills, so it still kind of sucks, but here's what it looks like on a smaller device. So if I shrink it down, as you can see, everything kind of shrinks down with it, and once we hit a certain screen size, the whole container sort of just scales down. And then as we keep getting smaller and smaller, everything just stacks on top of each other. And the thing that I don't like about it in this screen size is that, as you can see, everything is just out of place, and it's just so out of alignment. It just looks disgusting. So if you guys have any ideas on how I can fix it, please leave your suggestions down in the comments below, and I would greatly appreciate it. And this is the resume builder on a smaller screen size, but now let's see how this looks on a smaller screen size. So this is on my computer, and then as we resize, everything, it just shifts to the left, and once it hits this threshold, it just stacks on top of each other like that. And then as we keep getting smaller, it shrinks down, and it just locks onto the size here, so I just can't shrink down anymore. But yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool feature you guys might want to see, since most of my other videos are non-responsive coding projects. I still suck at CSS responsive designs, so this is the best I could get it, but hopefully I can start improving it in the future. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the description below, and also let me know if you have any project ideas in mind, because I'm starting to run out of project ideas. So if you do, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll try to look at them whenever I can. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.